はい、録画します。Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jose Domingo Cruz, and I will be your teacher for this class. And today I'm going to speak English. Okay, so this is week 2, October 11th. And don't worry, I know that I'm speaking English, but this Moodle video will be on YouTube. And I showed you on the first class how you can use YouTube to let you see all of the things that I say in English, in Japanese, or in English using the subtitles. Oop, people are still coming in. Okay, so first of all, today is week 2, October 11th. If you haven't figured it out yet, to come into my Zoom room, you not only have to click this, you also must make sure that you log in with your email and your password into your Zoom application on your computer. If you are not logged into Zoom, you will not be able to enter this Zoom room because I have very high security settings in my Zoom. Okay, class content and objective. This will be our second class. It will be your first video assignment. So I'm going to be talking about how to make sure that you do your videos well, how to do your walking videos properly. But at the same time, you can also watch this video, how to make walking videos. This will tell you what I think is important. Watch that several times if you can, but we'll also be practicing that today. Don't forget that if you see something like these 3 dots, this ellipse on any of my assignments, that means there's more to watch or to read if you just click the title of that assignment, okay? Now, because this is the first walking video for some of you, I gave you an example of what I would do if I was making a self-introduction video. So I'm going to play that a little bit right now, just to give you a little bit of an idea how it goes. I want you to watch my gestures, my eye contact, my voice, okay? And the fact that I am not using any notes or I'm not memorizing anything. And you're probably thinking, yeah, but Mr. Cruz, you're a native speaker in English. Well, as you know, I can do this in Japanese too. And it's something that I think you can do if you practice. Anyway, let's watch this video for a little bit.
Hi, my name is Jose Cruz. Jose is my given name, and Cruz is my family name. So you can call me Mr. Cruz. In Japanese, you would call me Cruz Sensei. I'm Canadian. I have been living in Japan since 1991, so 29 years. Yeah, I've been living here a long time. Came
So I
here
said
when I was
before, look at
28
my
years
left
old,
hand. My
and
left hand is
now,
still
well,
trying to
yeah,
gesture.
basically I'm 58
And
years old. I'll be
I'll show you this a
59
little bit
years old
later
soon.
too. How you hold the camera
What
is
else?
very important. If you
I
hold
come
it
from the west
directly in
coast of
front of
Canada,
you will not have much
where I
space for
grew
you
up.
to do your gestures.
Although I grew
Also,
up in
look at my
Canada,
eye
I
contact.
was
My eye
born in the
contact
Philippines.
is not always on the
I wasn't
camera.
born in
It's
Canada, so I had
often
to
on the
learn how to
camera, but
speak English.
sometimes I have to look
So
ahead
I
because
know
I
a
want to
little
see
bit
where I'm
how you
walking.
feel about learning how
This
to speak
is a
English
little spot
because me
just
too. When I was a little
around
boy
my
until I was
house
10
near
years
the
old,
junior high
I couldn't
school.
speak English
And
very
I
well.
wanted to make sure that
So
there
I had
was
to work
nobody
hard.
around, that I could walk without
Let's
having to
see.
wear a mask. So
I
choose
live
a good
in
spot for yourself.
Kitakyushu,
I did this in the daytime.
and I
Okay,
work
and you're
at
going to
2
have
different
about a week to
universities.
do this. So if
Have a
you
few
wait
different
until the
hobbies. Some
very
of them
last day,
are
until the
reading,
very last
and
hour,
some
until
of
you have
them
to
are,
submit
oh, I
this, you're
like
going to end
cycling
up
very
doing it
much.
at
I
night.
like a lot of sports.
Or
I
I
like
don't know what the
cycling,
weather will be
weight
tomorrow or
training.
the next day. Maybe
Of
it'll
course,
be
I'm
raining.
Canadian, so I
I
really like
suggest you choose
hockey.
your first best
And also,
opportunity
I like
to
to
do
cook.
this in the daytime
Cooking is,
with good
I'm going to
weather.
try to keep the sun out of your eye, but
Practice a lot,
cooking
and
is a
then if
really
you make a
important hobby, I
mistake, you
think,
still
because
have time
if
to
you
do
know
it
how to
again.
cook, you can
Practice
make
and
good
practice
meals.
and
You can make
practice.
healthy meals.
Okay.
You'd be
Let's see.
surprised
Yeah,
how
I think that's all I
important
wanted to tell you.
your health
Watch
becomes
out
when
for
you
your
become
gestures.
older.
Make sure that you
When you're
do this in the
younger, like most
daytime.
of you are right
Watch out
now,
for your eye
you feel
contact,
that it's
and
okay to eat a
make
lot
sure
of
that you can
food
do
like
this
ramen,
without using a lot of
cakes,
notes. Okay,
and
so
fast.
let's stop that. And let's return it to the regular size. You also have a reflection exercise today because this self-introduction video isn't due until Sunday of next week. So almost a whole week, Sunday, October 17th. And remember what I said, it's due at 11 o'clock at night. So you have plenty of time to send it. But if you wait until 11 o'clock at night, you're going to need to do this at night. So you have to make sure that you have plenty of light on your face. I want to be able to see your eyes. I want to be able to see your face. So if you do this walking down a dark street, I'm going to give you low points. Now, your reflection exercise is this video. For some of you, you probably just bought a new iPhone, or you have an iPhone 12 or an iPhone 11. And if you don't know, the videos that iPhone takes are very high resolution. They take up a lot of space on your phone. So I want you to watch this video, okay? And then once you've finished watching the video, come back to the reflection exercise and answer this very simple question. Why is it important to change your smartphone's video settings? I actually just answered the question for you just now, but I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out for yourselves. Now, that is pretty much all of the assignments for this week. You have your self-introduction video. Take a look at my example here. Take a look at what I explain is important for doing a walking video. Okay, change your iPhone settings to make your movies a little bit smaller. And don't forget to do the reflection exercise. That's due tonight. Okay, I'm sorry. That's due on, no, it's not Saturday. October 11th is today. Oh, okay. Well, that's strange. Here, let me change this. What does it say? Saturday. Okay, shouldn't be Saturday. That should say Monday. Sorry about that, everybody. It's Monday, October 11th. And October 11th. Good. Okay, so let me just change that. Okay, good. I'm glad I got that into the Moodle recording. Okay, it's Monday, October 11th at 11 o'clock. Okay. If you have any questions, please ask me after we've done the recording. But in any case, this recording is finished. If you want to come and watch this, I'll have this up by the end of the night tonight. Okay, thank you very much, everyone.